Come on in, guys.
One of the original sound pioneers, Wayne Allwine takes us on an extraordinary tour into the world of sound effects.
Each of these props were used in so many of the Disney films over the years. For instance, who's seen Bambi? Bambi, okay, wonderful film, right? Big forest fire, this is it! Bambi fire is nothing more than a bunch of bamboo sticks held together with tape. You have a slide whistle. This particular slide whistle worked in a lot of Chip and Dale movies over the years, little cartoons. You have all of the Seven Dwarfs' shoes in your hand. Seven Dwarfs walked across the wooden floor. Just an old wallet. Each of these props is a star in its own right. Well, let's grab some more props. You guys sit down. We'll have a little movie magic of our own, huh? All right. Now I have on my proper Christmas attire. I see everybody's got their props, and we're all set to go. The good news is, I wrote a poem especially for the occasion. Well, actually, I adapted a poem, but I think you all know it. It starts like this. 'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, except Mickey Mouse. The stockings were bolted to the mantel with care, while the fire burned brightly, as bright as a flare. Poof! The troops were out marching, while the kids snored in bed, as visions of horses raced through their head. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. As I flipped on the lights and I opened the door, down through the chimney, St. Nicholas came with a roar. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Here we go. Merry Christmas, everybody.